Hi guys, I'm Nick Gant with Jim Hawk Truck Trailers. Behind me, we have our Great Dane Pearl, which is one of our Great Dane Hawk stock specs that we offer through our dealership here. Initially, we brought in our Diamond sliding spread, but due to customer feedback and demand for other sliding spread options, we now have our Pearl with our 4-inch Timpte corrugated sides offered in both white color as well as black color. The sliding spread is a desirable spec for both the smoothness of the ride and its adjustable capabilities. And on top of that, some other key features that this trailer entails is its stainless front, stainless rear, 9 lights, top and bottom rail, thermoguard lining, as well as its 24-inch kingpin setting. If you guys are interested in learning more about our Great Dane Pearl spec, contact your local Jim Hawk Truck Trailers dealership today.